lower my kit bag, which suspends on the end of a 40-foot rope from my harness. And then the ground comes up to hit me, and I find myself in the middle of a corner.
A great deal of civilian service during World War II, as well as being briefly impressed into the military. And the last aircraft is Spirit of Douglas, recently sold to a new owner in New Zealand, an aircraft that served in the CBI, China-Burma-India theatre. And as the C-47s and DC-3s clear, we recall the some 156,000 Allied troops, the 11,590 or so aircraft that were available, and the 14,674 sorties that Allied aeroplanes flew during Operation Neptune on the 6th of June itself.